guys. How's it going? I'm assuming that you can hear me. I'm assuming. Hey, I'm doing another one. Would you believe it? Let me just get everything set up first. It's just gonna be pretty much the same stream like last time, except I'm doing other things. Everything's all set up here still. Everything's here like usual. Is it? No. Where was I? We got to this part. We made this, I guess. Wait, this is in the article. There it is. This is it. Sorry if I sound sick. I sort of am. It's just a cold though. Nothing too bad. I'll just sound a little bit, sick. Oh, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in these comments so that I can see what these mean. There's a spelling error right there. Sekong. I can also open some Spotify, so I'm not sure if you guys can listen to it. It's because I was listening to Spotify last stream, and I couldn't really play it for you guys, or at least I don't think I can, because it's kind of like, maybe not allowed. But I don't know. I didn't see. I'm not on Twitch, but same thing. Free music online? No way. That's not what I want. I want... Oh my... Yeah, even though I'm on YouTube anyway, I still don't really want yeah, I'm just gonna just I'll listen to Spotify myself. Sorry, I can't really play any music for you. Wish I could. Really, I wish. But I can't. Why did I do that? Oh my god. That was really stupid. I just closed out of Spotify after just turning on music. Minimize. Okay. Let's get back to the actual coding part. Or not that, but like I don't know how. Wait. There's too many things though to have to write. I got it all. Except it's a little weird how it looks like that. Oh, car.py file. Looks like that. Def move right self pixels self dot rect dot x plus equals pixels. What is pixels again? I don't know. Parameter. Guess we'll find out. Def move left self why is that one block short? Oh, because self dot rect dot x minus equals pixels. Cool. Move right method takes two arguments. The first one is implicit and is called self. It refers to the current object. The second one is called pixels and referring to the number of pixels we'll use to move the car. The body of our method only contains one line. Self.rect.x plus equals pixels is basically adding pixels to the current x coordinate of the object. Pretty simple. So you press the right and then it adds one pixel to it. Press the left key and you go left. It gets rid of one pixel. Let's look at the code for our main program. You may remember that in the first tutorial we talked about the main program loop. The first section of this loop is to respond to events such as user interactions when the user uses the mouse or keyboard. So let's add two event handlers. One moving left and one for moving right, using the left and right arrows of the keyboard. Left and right arrow keys of the keyboard. Each event handler will call the relevant method from the car class. Check the code below with the new event handlers from 37 to 45. 37 to 45. So pretty much down here, after this, you do elif event dot type equals pygame dot key down if event dot key equals pygame dot k underscore x carry running equals false. Not sure why it would be false. Wait, I need to go down more. That's not even for that. Keys equals pygame dot key dot get underscore pressed. If keys pygame dot k underscore left player car to move left 5. Then I just have to copy this and do it again. So now, should it work? I didn't. Line 36. Oh. It don't do it. Does it do it here when I do this? Huh? Why am I recording? I don't want to record. Is it because all my shortcuts, all my hotkeys, I keep pressing all my hotkeys? Just getting rid of all those. Okay. Didn't want to do that. I just want everything to go in front of it. Yeah, I'm confused. Yeah, I can't. That's a funny thing. I press the arrow key and then it closes out. I don't need this. No attribute, move left. Line 40. I'm a little confused. Yeah, this one's broken. I'm just gonna make breakout. All right, let's just hope. All right, this one's good because it's 2020, February 13th, 2020. That's a newer. That means that it's a newer version of Python, so it should work. Alright, I got it. Import pygame from random import. Why did it do that? Random. Black equals 0, 0, 0. Class ball pygame dot sprite dot sprite. Very cool. Def init self color width height. Super dot init Just gonna copy this down so I don't have to write it all. Self dot image equals pygame dot surface width height. It's not recording, right? Good. It looks like my once I was about to say it might turn bad. My internet was looking good. It's doing good now. It's almost 3,000. And then it drops down to like 1,000 and like 23. I didn't mean to do that again. I wish I could like put it on top. Self dot image dot fill black. Self dot image dot set underscore color key black. Draw the ball a rectangle. That's not what a ball looks like. A ball's doesn't have edges. Pygame.draw, not comma, but draw.rect self.image color 0 0 width height alright, cool. What? Self dot velocity equals random for 8 comma random negative 8 8 self dot rect equals self dot image dot get underscore rect. Alright. Def update self. Oh wait. Self dot rect dot x plus equals self dot velocity 0. Then again, but y and make the last thing a 1. Now that should do it. Where is it? Why is my internet crapping on me right now? Why? You see this? Probably not. It's at like 2. Well, not 2, but it's really bad for some reason. I'm not even doing anything. No one else is connected to it. Let's go check. It's a 0. There's no one else connected to it. Yet, it is running like crap. And for some reason, my thing just isn't working. Oh, that's not even what I'm supposed to do. I'm just gonna nah, I have time to spare. There is no paddle. Oh, I just skipped everything. That's probably why. I just skipped straight to number 4. I don't even know why it started with 4. Okay. So import pygame pygame.init. This is the starting part. Define the colors that you want. White, not white space, white, dark blue, light blue, red, orange, yellow. Six. Then score equals 0. Okay. I'm just copying what this one says. Huh? Find some colors, then variables. $600 screen equals pygame dot display dot set mode size. Pygame dot display dot set measure caption breakout. I'm only doing breakout, not breakout game, but it doesn't do it. Probably because it's not doing anything. Main game loop is a key wrapper for our game. The main game loop will contain 3 sections: capturing events, usually constantly listening to user inputs and react to these, implementing the game logic, what happens when the game is running, are cars moving forward, aliens falling from the sky, ghosts chasing you, etc. Refreshing the screen by redrawing the stage and sprites. So, inputs, what's happening, and redrawing the stage and it. I'll copy this though. This isn't as important. While carry on main event loop for event in pygame.event.get if event.type false. Drawing code first, clear the screen to screen.fill excuse me. stream still dying, sort of? Yep. Yes, it is. You know what? I'm not even sure why I'm streaming. No one's actually gonna watch the stream. No one really cares about this. No one cares about coding anyway. It's pretty pointless. Font equals game dot font dot font none 34. Text equals font dot render or plus string score 1 white. Screen dot bullet text 20 2010. I'm just gonna copy this. It's pretty much the same exact thing. So instead of score, it says lives, and this is but wouldn't there be two texts then? I'm gonna set up a I'm not going to use the backslash at any time ever. So if I just press this, why does it not work? Huh? Doesn't work. That's stupid. There we go. So, and now you can hear me. Alright, good. I keep doing that. Still not even sure why I keep this here. No one's saying anything. Interesting. It's almost like streaming is a little bit unnecessary for me, because no one's gonna watch it. Pygame.display.flip. Clock.tick 60, which is just pretty much FPS. Pygame.quit. Alright, so awesome. We actually did something, and it actually works. We made a screen, so score and lives. Perfect. Now this is going well. And I'll be right back. Just give me a second. I'm back. I got a snack because it's morning and I didn't eat breakfast yet. So, only reasonable. Alright. Alright, so we're on the next one. In this second tutorial on how to create the retro arcade game Breakout using Pygame, we're looking at creating our first sprite. This is the definition of sprite: a computer graphic which may be moved on screen and otherwise manipulated as a single entity. Consider a sprite as an object that can have different properties and methods, such as these. Like in the industry, an object is built from a mold. In the computing mold / template is called a class. In computing, the mold / template is called a class. So by creating our first sprite, we will implement OOP, object-oriented programming. We will create our first class called paddle and derive our first object from this class. So we need to make a new file called paddle.py. Then okay. Def __ init self color or color width height super dot under init __ I don't really know what that does. Apparently it calls the parent class sprite constructor, I guess. Copying this down so that I don't have to type that out. Self.image equals pygame.surface with height. That's not how you spell height. Self.image.fill black bulk. Self.image.set underscore color key then draw a paddle, a rectangle. Pygame.draw.rect self.image color 0 with height I know I could do this a lot quicker just by copying down everything, but that's the point. The point is to actually like type it, because I can't just copy down code from my brain like that. I can't. When I'm making my own game, I can't just copy somebody else's code and say this is my game. Like, you can't do that. Like here, this is different because this is different, okay? Because this is not my game. This is a game that somebody else made, and I'm just I'm learning how to code their game using all their stuff, and I'm trying to get used to the typing experience, you know, with Python and stuff. So yeah, save this. Save our class as a Python file called paddle.py. Already ahead of you. Now that we have a class, we can create /instantiate an object from this class. Remember, a class is a mold. It enables you to create as many objects as you need using the same mold. Alright, up here. Let's import the paddle class from paddle import paddle. Yeah. Where line 25 so that's pretty much just mine. Who is mowing right this second? Today isn't even a good day to mow. I don't understand some people. It's not a good day to mow, so why do it? It's not sunny. It just rained. The grass is wet. And I don't understand. I just don't understand. It's a terrible day. It's not even that warm. I'm not even sure what the temperature is. I don't understand some people, to be honest. They confuse me so much. I just don't get it. Okay. All underscore sprites underscore list equals pygame dot sprite dot group Hold on, I'm gonna see who that's emailing. Who is that? Huh. I don't get people. I don't get what's with people and mowing the grass just like pretty much like every day. Not like every day, but like too much. Don't understand. Really confuses me. Paddle equals paddle light blue 110. Paddle dot rec dot x equals 350. Paddle dot rec dot y equals 560. Then all underscore sprites underscore list dot add paddle. Alright. Like, can you hear the person mowing outside? 'Cause I can. And it's annoying. You know, it's annoying. Somebody decides to mow at 10:36 a.m. What the heck? Okay. Game logic. All underscore sprites underscore list dot update. Settle pygame and quit. Clock tick speed flip. Oh, that's good. That's good. Looks good. So if I click this, it's not there. Where is it? It's just not there. I don't think I did anything wrong. $27 to $30. Okay. Well, we'll see if we can keep going and wait, actually, I'm gonna copy this and see if this works. And if this works, then I'm gonna be a little mad. Alright, what the heck? What did I do here? There's no paddle there. All sprites list equals pi game dot sprite dot group. That's right. Create the paddle. Paddle equals paddle light blue 110. Paddle dot rect dot x equals 350. Paddle dot rect dot y equals 560. All sprites underscore sprites underscore list dot add paddle. Oh, I see what I did. Right there. All underscore sprites underscore list dot draw screen. That's what I did wrong. My bad. It's okay though. I have the paddle there. It's there. It works. Now we can... And I think I'm gonna... The time that I'm going to end this stream is probably at 11 to 11:15. Because that would be 2 hours at 11. That'll be like... an hour and 45 minutes around there since I started. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So we gotta add stuff to the paddle. It's just this again. Def move left self pixels, but I don't care. That only depends on how fast I can click. How fast I can type. Alright. Def move right self pixels, pretty much the same exact code, except instead of minus equals it's plus equals pixels. I'm gonna make sure that I didn't press any hotkeys when I press the minus or plus. If self dot rect dot x is less than 0, self dot rect dot x equals 700. Oh, it's 700, and it should be greater than instead of the other one. This I can copy over here, because it's the same exact thing. Alright, so that should be good, I think. I'll check it later. So yeah, define move left. So we haven't actually made it, but if we did press the left key, this is just saying that this thing will make it go left or right. And then we have to make a key so that it will trigger this, so it'll make the actual thing go left or right. And that's pretty much what that's saying here. So I gotta go back here. And I get to go down here instead. And I'm not. I'm not sure why I need this. Event.type equals pygame.keyDown if event.key equals pygame.k underscore x carry on equals it's the same exact thing as the one above it, except it's the X key. Not sure why that's needed, but okay. Then all we really need to do is keys equals pygame.key.get underscore pressed if keys pygame.k underscore left paddle dot move left 5 if keys pygame.k underscore right paddle dot move right 5. So now this should work. It doesn't. That's a problem. Or oh, not that. Hey, it works. Cool. So we actually have awesome. So my only problem there was that I didn't save this, and it was just doing from the old one, and it wasn't the newest version of paddle.py. Bye. I already have this because I did it earlier. Adding ball to the game from ball import ball. Create the ball. Ball equals ball white 10 den ball dot rect dot x equals 345 ball dot rect dot y equals 195. Then I just have to copy this and change this to ball. Then I have to do this stuff. Under update, if ball dot rect dot x is greater than or equal to 790, ball dot velocity 0 equals ball minus dot velocity 0. Then I just have to copy this 3 times, not like that. Like that. And this one's 1, and this one's 1. This one's also 1. This one's 1. 0, 5, 90, 40. So now this should work. It should display at least. Nope. Never mind. So in ball, we need to add another def. Bounce self dot velocity 0 equals minus self dot velocity 0. Self dot velocity 1 equals randint -8 8. Alright, so from 75 to 79 on main.py. Save this quickly so I don't forget. If pi game dot sprite dot collide underscore mask ball paddle ball dot rect dot x minus equals ball dot velocity 0, then copy this so I can paste it again. It changes this to y minus equals ball. This is 1. Then ball dot bounce. So will this work? Not sure. No. Let's see. Trace back file main.py line 35. So line 35 is a problem. Do I not have... What's the problem here? There's no problem here. Look, I'll copy this down. It'll be the exact same thing. Look at that. Same exact thing. Imports that. Save that. Does it work now? No. It's here then. Line 14 in here. Here, I'm just gonna do this, and if this works, I don't even know. Well, I mean, it works. It does something. What if I copy? Well, does it work here now? Okay. Obviously, I got a problem on my code, which is something to do with the ball's movement. Let me check. If ball dot rect this is less than, this is less than. Hey, it works. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Ooh. That's a little funky. Let me copy this down and see if this is the problem. didn't mean to do that. Copy this down, place it here. Huh? I broke it. Huh? Oh, dot Y. That makes a little more sense. Well, we got sort of a working game. Just need to do this, but I don't really have any more time. As you can see, it is 11:02, and I am done with this for now. And I will see this all next Saturday when I'm back. And might post a video, I might do a stream this upcoming Wednesday, because I have nothing to do. So yeah, might, but also might not, depending on whether I feel like it. So just know that I might, probably not, but it'll either be a stream, or I'll upload a video, or record a video, or something, or nothing. I don't know. But that'll be it for today, and I'll see you either next Wednesday or next Saturday.